Okay, the birds are just going wacky out there, eating all these berries off the trees. I don't know if you can see them, but there's got to be 30 of them out there. They're in the trees, flopping around, eating these fermented berries, falling out of the tree, fighting with each other. And then the funny part here, if you can look at my window, they keep flying right into the window of my house. And I've got all these feathers plastered on my windows. So I made this video especially for my cousin Nick because he said he didn't believe me. I just hope all the little birds show up on the video here. See, look at that, they're fighting down there. They're just a bunch of drunken old birds, drunk at 11 o'clock in the morning. Hey, it is Friday after all, though. Hey, have a great day. Happy autumn.